Bože, pomozi da sad radi. If you don't have a problem when you are immersing yourself in Serbian, this video is not for you. But if you do have a problem, this video is for you, certainly, and stay until the end because we will cover some really interesting advices that can help you when you are listening. So, I know that my students have been learning Serbian for some time now. They are learning grammar, plenty of grammar, they are learning vocabulary, reading, but they still struggle with listening. They are trying to listen some Serbian news. Okay, that's good. They would play Serbian news behind them while they're doing any kind of different things. That's good, and that's called passive listening. The problem is that you cannot really listen something if you are not interested in the topic. So my advice would be that you should first start listening some things that you like. For example, songs. Find genre that you like in your mother tongue and find similar thing in Serbian. Or you can watch vlogs, you can watch TikToks, Reels, things like that in Serbian. Nowadays you have plenty of content that you can watch in the language that you would like to learn. The thing is that, and now pay attention to this, it's not really important to understand anything. So, if you wanna immerse yourself in the language, firstly, the most important thing is to get used to the sound, the rhythm, and the flow of the language. A couple of days ago, I bumped into a video on TikTok. I think that it was like AI generated, where you could listen how Serbian sounds to non-natives, and I couldn't understand a thing. And first of all, I had that feeling like it's not my language. This is some kind of like weird mix of inter-Slavic languages. And if Serbian really sounds like that to you, I'm really sorry. And in this context, I really can understand how difficult it is for you to learn and listen Serbian. That's why it's really important to go back to listening. Don't expect from yourself, if you just started to learn Serbian, to get used to the flow immediately. It will be easier for you if you are living in the country like Serbia, Bosnia, Croatia or Montenegro. Yes, in that context, of course. Or if you have visited some of those countries plenty of times. Or if your family speaks any of those languages. Now we are talking about Serbian. Or if you have family in Serbia and you are talking with them in Serbian, or your parents are talking with them in Serbian. A lot of percentage, like in a lot of situations, you will be able to listen Serbian. But if you don't have that kind of opportunity, you have to do it by yourself. So you have to listen some YouTube videos, watch vlogs, we have plenty of them, watch some kind of like short stories, any kind of your interest, anything that interests you could be helpful. Because again, I'm repeating, you don't have to expect from yourself that you will start understanding immediately. First, you have to get used to the flow, to the sound, and to the rhythm of Serbian language. And that is the key of the great immersion. Pro tip: if your intention is to learn any of dialects in Serbian, first get used to the standard Serbian and then you will be able to immerse yourself better into the dialects. If you want to listen more Serbian, our next video is completely in Serbian. Check that, it will be in a week from now. And if you like this content, press that notification bell so you'll be informed. Comment down below and please like and share this video. Vidimo se, ciao!